Hi everyone, welcome to JMeter tutorial. Today in this tutorial we are going to talk about the loop controller in JMeter using a real-time example login page. So let's begin. What is loop controller? A loop controller in JMeter allows you to repeat a specific set of requests multiple times. For example, you want to log in multiple times in a website. So you can use loop controller, open JMeter, right click on test plan thread, and then click on thread group. You can change name here in thread group. This is the number of threads, ramp up periods, and loop count. If you want to multiple iterations with same user, so you need to mark this checkbox. And if you want to different users in each iteration, so you can uncheck this checkbox. For now, click on this checkbox. Now add here, right click on thread group, add, and then click on logic controller. Inside this logic controller, click on loop controller. Here two options available: infinite, or you can enter here number of thread. If you mark this checkbox, now infinite number of threads will be sent to the server. Suppose you want to log in a website with 3 users or 10 users, so you can enter here 10. For now, enter here 5. Now add inside this loop controller, right click and add request, click on add sampler, and then click on HTTP request. Inside this HTTP request, you can change name here, loop controller HTTP request. This is request name, and here you need to enter protocol, server name or IP, and select method here, get, post, put, and delete. This all the method available here. Now enter here HTTPS server name and path. Let's add URL here. Open Chrome browser, and this is the login API. We need to enter email and password, and this is the post API. So click on this URL, copy this complete URL, open JMeter, and enter here first. Protocol is HTTPS, and then enter reqres.in, and then enter path. Enter path. This is post API. You can use post API. So here select method post. In this API, we need to enter email and password in body section. So scroll down, and here you can view email and password. Open JMeter, click on body data, and then enter email and password. Here you can define here 10 loop count. Suppose you want to send 10 requests to the server, so you can set here loop count 10. If you want to send 5 requests, so you can set here 5. Now add here listener for view result Right click on thread group and click on view result tree. Let's run the test. Click on start. It will ask for you to, are you want to save this test plan before running it? So for now, click on no. Request is sending. We are getting failed unauthorized because we need to enter API key. So we can add API key. Click on stop. Here infinite set, so you can view multiple requests sent to the server. Let's add here HTTP header manager. Right click on thread group, config element, and then click on HTTP header manager. And the header manager, we need to pass API key. Click on add on Chrome browser, and we can get free API key. Click on get free API key. Add this header to your API request. Copy this name and then enter value. First enter name and then enter value of this key. Open JMeter here. We can change our HTTP request name. So here enter loop controller HTTP request. Let's move this HTTP header manager globally. This is REST API, so you need to define content type in header manager. Click on add, enter name, content dash type application slash JSON. Now we can run the test. Click on start. It will ask for you. You should save your test plan before running it. You can save your test plan. For now, click on no. In view result tree, we can view test. As you can view, first request failed due to connection reset, and all other request has been sent successfully. Let's change value here. We can send 10 requests. If you set here 10, now 10 requests will be sent to the server. If you want to send infinite request, so you can mark this checkbox. Now enter 10, clear all the test and run the test. Click on no. Requests are sending to the server and we are getting token in a response. In a request, this is post method HTTPS protocol, server name or IP, and this is the path. Email are sending in body, we are sending username and password. You can view here email and password. So in request, I can view email and password. In request header, X API, content type application JSON, and this is the response data. So that's all about the loop controller in JMeter using a simple login scenario. It is really useful when you want to repeat only a part of your test, like login, search, or add to cart without repeating the entire test flow. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.